Hello everyone. The question is 16 divided by 4 in brackets. 2 plus inside the brackets, 4 times 2 divided by 2, close the bracket, both brackets closed, times 2 times. So first we solve the brackets. There's a bracket inside as well, so we'll solve that. Now looking inside, in this bracket, it's 4 times 2 divided by 2. So what will we do first? Whatever comes from left to right, according to the BODMS rule. What does the BODMS rule say? First, we solve the brackets, then division and multiplication, then addition and subtraction. But division and multiplication have the same priority, so we check from left to right. Addition and subtraction also have the same priority, so we check from left to right as well. Here, when we check from left to right, the first priority is multiplication, then division. So the second priority is division. Now, looking at this spreadsheet, 4 into 2 divided by 2. 4 times 2 is 8, and here we have division. So 8 divided by 2 is 4 inside the bracket. Now, since we have a bracket here, we solve it. 2 plus 4, which is 6. Now let's write it again from here. So 16 divided by 4, here the total solution inside the bracket is 6. Solving this whole bracket gives us 6. After that, multiply. 2 times, this stays the same, 2 times 2. Now, after this, when we open the bracket, it's 16 divided by 4, and then we'll do the multiplication 6 times. We keep 2 times the same. Now we'll check left to right. When we check everything left to right, the first operation is division. After that comes multiplication, so we'll do the division first. Let's solve it here. 16 divided by 4 times 6 times 2 times 2. A lot will get canceled here. 624 times now. 4 times 6 times 2 times 2, that becomes 4. 4 times 4 here, so 16 times 6. That's what it'll be. 6 and... yes. 96. This is the right transfer.